they use the indicator as a confirmation for trading. They use the indicator to see if the market is overbought and oversold, but we need to check few things in detail pertaining the RSI only as an indicator. Thereafter, we'll be able uh, to explore and look other indicators which we can combine so that we are able to insert them and be profitably. So currently, can we go through I have some few slides here so that we can be able to check all the necessary information we need so that we are able to achieve with the lesson for today. So if you are new in this video or into our channel, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking our video. Please, if you didn't subscribe yet, kindly subscribe and like. Also hit that notification bell so that whenever we post new content, we'll be the first one to be notified. Briefly, I'm an entrepreneur. I 100% survive with trading, the online business. So that is why I decided to share all my knowledge, my experiences with you guys, so that the mistakes I've made while I was trading, you should not fall into the same traps. So please stay till the end of this video. You won't regret your time. I know exactly that your time is so much valuable. So that's why I won't spend much time talking a lot of things that are irrelevant. So let us strictly get into business. So the question stands, how to profit using the RSI? There are two main ways one can be profitable when trading with the RSI. The first one is the oversold, and the second one is the oversold and the overbought. Then the second one it's the divergence. There is a bullish divergence and the bearish divergence. So guys, it is very much advisable that you know exactly when is the market called oversold and when is the market called overbought. You see, so in the can we explain uh, deeper on the overbought and the oversold levels? You know, most of the time we say the market is overbought because it's above the 70%. That's when we say the market is overbought. You see, then the price, when the market is overbought, usually it means that the market is ready to go down, to go back down. That is why at first when I was introduced in trading, I was told that I buy low, I sell high, meaning I buy when the market is at the lowest price and I sell when the market is at the highest price. So in this case, uh, most of the time, people they've blown a lot of accounts. They've been told that when the market is at the 70%, you need to sell, which is not the case. You see, so guys, just bear it in mind that most of the time, when the market is at the 70% level, it doesn't mean you need to sell. Sometimes the market will just consolidate and wait there for a long period of time and even go higher. So that's why you need to be well versed, given the accurate knowledge on when to pull the trigger and apply a sell. So for one to sell or to buy, you need at least 3 confirmations. There is a video, some of the videos here we uploaded the candlestick patterns, the chart patterns, all the candlestick formations, the drawing the support and the resistance level, more than one confirmation, so that whenever you put the trigger, you will find yourself losing your funds for absolutely nothing. So there is also another video in one of the videos in it below, where we explain the dynamic support and resistance level as part of the confirmations. So here we use a 200 EMA. When the market is above the 200 EMA, it means the market it's an uptrend. When the market crosses the 200 EMA, it means the market, the trend is yet to go down. So sometimes we draw the trend lines to make the solid confirmations. So guys, things gonna be easy, just that a lot of people they are lazy to learn, to read, and have the knowledge. This knowledge, you need it every day. Can I say this again? This knowledge, you need it every day, because you can't go a day with gambling. You can gamble today, guessing the price, guessing the movement, and you can make money, but you cannot make the most money and stay financially free if you don't know how to make the most amount of money. So that is why you need to stay up to the end of this video, so that we give you the necessary information so that you can be assisted where you need. So ladies and gentlemen, how do you know when the price is about to retrace? Most of the time, I usually say, okay, let's go to the chart. Let's go to the chart. Let's go to the chart. No. Let's go to the chart so that let's go to the chart so that I talk with something you can see. You see, here, this area, please focus to the pointer. That's what I will use. I won't be using pencil. So here, the market here, it is at the oversold, overbought level. Oversold level here, and the RSI is consolidating. Most of the time, the traders are advised that you shouldn't buy here at this area, because if you buy when the market is still here, it will stay here, and a lot of the price will make a lot of reversals. The lower lows will be plenty, and you find yourself losing a lot of money here. So you wait for the market to go a little bit above this line, and then you can pull your trigger and hold. You see, this is the overbought level, which is at the above 70%. So in this case, you don't just say, no, the market now is at 70%, you just pull the trigger, you sell. No, you wait for the market to cross a little bit below the 70% line, then you can pull the trigger. You see, although sometimes the market, okay, let me show the two bars. Let me show the two bars. I want the tools. Standard. Okay, where's my arrow? Where's my arrow? It's not in here. Okay, here is it. So I'm sorry for the interruption, guys. So you see here, the market. You see here is I was here. The market is overbought, overbought. You see, it's overbought. It's this above the 70% line. So you don't just sell because the market is at above the 70 line, a 70% line. Instead, you wait for the market to show you that now I'm about to go down, then you pull the trigger. You see here the market is above 70 and the RSI is giving you a false signal of going down, while here the market is still bullish. It's giving us the higher highs and the lower highs, you see. So that's what we call the market is overbought. Here the market is oversold. I think it does make sense. Even if you can go back a little bit below this line, the market is overbought. No, it's oversold. Above is overbought. It's oversold, is overbought. So I think now it makes sense. Let us continue with our slides. So then how do you know that the price will go high using the RSI? How do you know that now the price is about to be bullish or is about to go long using the RSI? The RSI should cross the line like I've just mentioned before. It should make a reasonable shoot. You see, the RSI should make a reasonable shoot by crossing the line. Then the market, it shows that it's gonna change the trend. So then we can check the other confirmations that will assist the RSI to buy or to sell. So those are the things you need to consider, and you should make sure that the market is at the mid range. Then you can place yourself. You see, when the market is at the highest level, let me go back to the chart. You see, you don't sell when the price is still here, but you sell when the price has crossed this line. You see, you sell. And if some means are showing that the trend is changing and the market is bullish again, you can easily pull out. You won't lose a lot of money, you see. And here you can buy after the market. You see here, you can buy after the market crosses this line and it shows that now the trend is going up. But if you buy, even when you see the market here at this level, you will find yourself lose a lot of money because the market will create more lower lows, and you are still burning, Uh, your market is becoming red, and you lose a lot of money. So that's when you should buy, when the price crosses this line, and also you sell when the price crosses this line. You see, then you can pull your trigger, you sell. So I think it makes sense. So let's continue. So another thing, take note that the speed in which the RSI moves from the overbought to the oversold is going to matter. So the higher the speed is, the higher the significance. I hope that this does make sense. Let's check again what I'm talking about. Here, you see, the speed of the RSI here is high. You see by this engulfing bullish candlestick. You see the speed is high. It means the trend is strictly bullish because the speed of the RSI is higher. Even here at the downtrend, the speed of the RSI is low. Why do we say the speed is low? You see the candlesticks, these candlesticks. It tells us that the market is still gonna be bullish. You see, so even though the market, the price has to cross, I mean the RSI has to cross the line and the price is going up, you need to consider the speed of the RSI. If the RSI is at a very high speed, then you pull the trigger. But if the RSI has a very low speed, you see the speed is very high, you pull the trigger. If the speed, let's check. You see here, the speed is very low. You don't pull the trigger because the speed is very, very low of the RSI. When you are watching the market, because you don't just open the chart, analyze and buy. You open the chart, you analyze, you wait just for a few moments. Thereafter, you pull the trigger, you buy. So when you are watching the market, you will see that no, the market is very slow. The market is moving faster. So the faster the speed, the higher the possibilities of your positive signal. I hope it does make sense. So now let's talk about the divergence method number 2. When the price is overbought, it continues to go up. Also, when the price is oversold, it continues to go down. We call this divergence. I know it doesn't make sense. Here, this thing, let me help you so that this can balance up. When the price is over, the price, when I'm saying the price, I mean the price of the market is overbought. You see, the RSI, it goes up, meaning the things they swap. When the RSI is going up, the price is going down. You see, we call these things the bullish divergence when the price goes high and the RSI goes low. Bearish divergence when the price goes down, the RSI goes high. That is called divergence. Sometimes is what you're going to experience in the market. That is why it is said you don't rely to one sole indicator. Combine the indicators, combine the other confirmations so that whenever you are trading or you want to pull the trigger to the market, you'll be able to obtain the money from the market. There is a lot of money in the market, trillions of US dollars. Each and every individual can be able to get a million, but it is harder for people to collect the money from the internet and utilize it because some of the things they look minor, but they are so crucial to consider whenever you are selling or whenever you are focusing on the market. So I think let's check on our chart the divergence I was talking about. Here you see here the RSI here. The RSI has crossed the 70% line, and then it goes down. But if you can check here, while it was crossing, it was consolidating, it just went a little bit down and went high. You see, let's look for another clearer example, because most of the time We draw the trend lines like this to see if the market or the movement is with or against us. Yes, sometimes yes. You see what I'm talking about? The RSI is not horizontal, but it's going down. But the market is going up. This is called the bullish divergence. During this time, you must be able to detect when and how the market should be treated. And you don't solely rely on the RSI as your entry indicator. So there are problems of the RSI because everything has got the advantages and also the disadvantages. The RSI can give you a lot of false signals, guys. It can give you a lot of false signals. You see, but the the crucial one is the divergence. Make sure that you are always aware about the bullish and the bearish divergence, because you will see that you will rely on the RSI and the market will go up, finding yourself losing a lot of money. So another thing, RSI is not suitable to generate signals or the entry levels if you want to hold longer on those particular trades. RSI is good as part of the confirmation indicators to see where the trend is going. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think it does make sense. Let's go check for the last time to our chart. You see what I'm talking about here. The RSI it has indicated that it's a sell. It's a sell, it's a sell, it's a sell. You can collect few pips, but the signal is not yet clear. It's not yet clear. You see here, okay, here it's clear. Okay, let me look for another example to illustrate what I'm talking about. Yes, let's look for another example for the divergence. You see here, it's a sell, it's a sell, it's a sell, it's a sell. All of a sudden, boom, boom. You see, it's not good at all. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think it now you can spot out the difference and then use the RSI to 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 maximize your profits. And here are your questions. How do you use the RSI on your MT4 or MT5? So do you use it for entry, or do you use it for taking profits, or do you use it to cut your losses? How do you use your RSI? Please comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe into our channel. And for more information, please visit our playlist. Our videos have been categorized in accordance for beginners, the strategies, and also the patterns, the candlestick patterns, and also the charts. They are categorized. So please make sure that you visit our videos below so that you can benefit. And also, I also welcome recommendations in our comment section. Oh, another thing, in our link description below, kindly check there is software. You'll be given a free trial of 14 days. Test the software. You can install it in your PC, in your cell phone, and then after testing the software, you can buy it in the link description below. And another thing, there is a link for our Telegram channel. Kindly check. I think it's towards the bottom of the link description below, so that you can join our community in Telegram. It's still a new group, but we hope that as time goes on, we will all be active, and everyone is allowed to send me a direct message on Telegram channel. So